Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best compost bags in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Uni Compostable Bags. Much like the BioBags, the Uni Compostable Bags are also certified compostable. They're also rated for home composting, which makes them great for gardeners. Slightly heavier than BioBags, the Uni bags are going to decompose a bit slower. The upside to this is that they're a bit sturdier, but only slightly. One of my favorite parts of Uni's bags is that they offer larger sizes. If you're looking for a temporary storage solution for leaves in the fall, this may be exactly what you need. They'll eventually break down with the leaves, and it all becomes compost in the end. Number 2. Our second best pick is BioBag Compostable Bags. They are constructed of plant starches, vegetable oils, and compostable polymers. They're designed in a way that enables them to break down in both home and industrial composting. But beyond that, they're just good compost pail bags. They're gathered at the bottom to seal them. This directs the compost towards the center of the pail and allows for a more complete fill of your bin. And they're sturdy, comparable in strength to plastic. Very few manufacturers take the time to have their bags certified. These are certified compostable bags in both America and Europe as compostable. They also meet OK Compost home requirements. I'm not going to claim that these will last in the kitchen bin for weeks and weeks as you slowly collect materials. They won't. But if you take them to the pile often, you'll find that these are a great option for you. Number 3. Our third best pick is Second Nature Bags. Are you trying to bring home coffee grounds from the office? Looking for an option that'll hold up long enough to get it home without making too much of a mess? Second Nature compost bags are heavy-duty. They're guaranteed to break down in roughly 26 weeks, so they'll be around for a bit. If they're in a hot compost pile, they'll break down quicker. But those of us who want to be eco-friendly at work as well as at home are going to love these bags. They're sturdy, constructed of a mix of sugar cane and other plant fibers, and worth your money. Strong and dependable, their premium bags are made from the highest renewable bio-based materials including sugar cane, plant starches, and vegetable oils. They hold up keeping your pail clean and dry. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Norpro 100% Compostable Bags. Norpro compost bags have one major downfall. In their printed material, they state their bags aren't suitable for backyard composting. They're meant to be industrial composting only. They're lighter weight than other industrial compost bags. It's best if they're used for smaller batches of compost. The bright side to these is that they're often available in many supermarkets. If you can't order compostable bags online, this can be a real benefit. I would recommend pretty much any other bag I've covered today before I'd recommend these. Beggars can't be choosers, though. And these are still far better than plastic bags. If you're unable to get any of the others, these will work for you. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Bag to Nature Compostable Liners. Need something a little bit sturdier? Bag to Nature compost bags are designed for municipal composting. With these, you collect your kitchen waste as normal. Once you've gotten your bin filled, pull this out and tie the corners, and drop it in the municipal bin. Because these are heavier in weight, they don't break down as fast. They're really not meant for home composting, although they can be. It'll take a whole lot longer than thinner bags would, though. If you're in a community that has a municipal compost collection system, these are perfect. They'll put the entire bag and its contents straight through the hot compost process. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.